Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you guys have seen these very trendy strawberry treats. So I'm going to show you how to make them. It's not hard, but I'm going to show you how to make them. You guys, these are so delicious. So for starters, you're going to be blending up your softened cream cheese. I use 2 blocks of the Philadelphia cream cheese. And as you're blending this up in whatever blender you're using or mixer that you're using, you want to make sure that you are scraping the sides and the bottoms to make sure that everything is getting incorporated. But for right now, before we add any extra ingredients, we're just getting it nice and mixed. So as you can see, you want to add in your powdered sugar little by little and blend it until smooth. Of course, you want to taste it, make sure that it tastes okay, and then you also want to add in a little bit of vanilla extract. So now onto the strawberries. I'm going to be putting the strawberries inside of these egg trays. You can find them at Dollar Tree. I used to. At the end, I am going to stack them on top of each other like so and tape the sides so that I can deliver the order to a customer. So for the strawberries, instead of slicing them down right ways, you're going to turn them to the side and slice them down the side. Now that I have all the strawberries sliced, I am just going to pat them dry, the inside of them dry. And we're going to add in the cheesecake stuffing into a piping bag. And we are going to add the strawberries to the tray. And once you have done that, I am using the piping bags, the disposable piping bags that you can find at Walmart. You can find them at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Amazon. I'll be sure to leave those links down below in the description box. And I'm just going to pipe the cheesecake stuffing on top of the strawberries like so.
If you keep on looking at me like that, and you don't know what you do to me, and I would probably go and end it all if you found out. No words can explain what I'm feeling. Being with you feels as easy as breathing. And right when I told you,
This is the strawberry topping that I'm going to be adding into the remainder of the cheesecake stuffing that I have in my mixing bowl. I'm just going to mix it up, and then I'm going to pipe it into a little cup and lid. You can find the cups and lids at Dollar Tree, Walmart, or you can order them in bulk on Amazon. I'll be sure to have the link for that. But I'm just adding that into a little cup that is going to go in the middle of the strawberry dish. And I'm also going to add some other toppings. I use pecans and some strawberry crumble to top the strawberries. With the strawberry crumble, all you have to do is crush up some golden Oreos, mix in some strawberry gelatin, and melt some butter and chop it up, mix it up like so to create your strawberry crumble. It's super simple. And then I'm just topping the strawberry crumble with a little bit of graham crackers that I crumbled up as well. And you guys, this treat is so phenomenally delicious, I swear. So here I am just adding in the different cups, the cheesecake, the extra cheesecake dip, the strawberry topping, the pecans, and the strawberry crumble. And I added in a few extra strawberries. Now you may not be able to top your egg dish if you keep them lying like this, but I just did this for picture purposes, presentation purposes. But I did only end up leaving one strawberry on top, and this is the finished product. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.